Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna do a design using the cat eyes effect. First of all, I'm going to apply serious black on each nail. And now we're going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply the matte coat. And we're going to cure the whole set 60 seconds. I'm gonna clean the nail, the surface, with some gel residue wipe off solution. I choose different color from the cat eyes collection: Frenemy, Extraterrestrial, Ethereal, Stratosphere, Galaxy, and Aurora Australis. So I'm going to pick some color and place it onto the nail. I'm using the magnet onto the line that I made with the cat eyes collection. I'm going to protect each line with the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm going to give it a full cure for 1 minute. I'm going to apply some peach cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used are in the description box down below. Until next time, au revoir!